Good morning, class. In the last video, what we will talk about this chapter, our environment, and we will cover in this chapter component of environment. Also, we have started with natural environment, and we will continuing with four limbs of our earth, that is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere, and biosphere. And also we have covered this topic lithosphere and hydrosphere in the last video, and in today's video we will talk about atmosphere. So the word atmosphere has been derived from a Greek word atoms, which means air. Means this word atmosphere, this large word, it is derived from a Greek word. Okay, so this word came from Greek, and from Greek word atoms. And what the meaning of atoms? Atom means air. Okay, the air we breathe, the air we exhale, these all are air. So atom means air. Atmosphere is the thin layer of air that surround the earth. So what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is thin layer of air and which surround our earth. It is a mixture of different gases: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, ozone, helium, hydrogen, etc. So atmosphere is a mixture of different type of gases. And what these gases are? A few name of gases are given in your book. Underline this word: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, ozone, helium, hydrogen, etc. Water vapor and dust particle that surround earth like a thin blanket of air. So our atmosphere is a mixture of different gases. Okay, and what else behind gases? Water vapor, dust particle. Okay, it protects us from harmful solar radiations like ultraviolet rays and scorching heat of sun. And our atmosphere protects us from what? It protects us from solar radiations. And what the solar radiations are? They are ultraviolet rays and scorching heat of the sun. So it protects us from sun, from the solar radiations of the sun. Okay. Air is vital for all form of life on earth. Means every organism whoever are living on the earth, air is very important for each one of us. The condition of atmosphere with respect to the temperature of air, atmospheric pressure, humidity, etc. makes up the weather of a place. The changes in the atmosphere can produce changes in the weather and climate of a place. So the condition of atmosphere with respect to the temperature of air must make up the weather of a place. So what makes up weather of a place? It in any place, if there is cold, there is heat, there is raining, so what conditions make the weather like that there? So condition of atmosphere with respect to temperature of air, atmospheric pressure, and humidity, these three factors are responsible for making up a weather of a place. What are those factors? Temperature of air, okay, of that particular place, temperature of air, atmospheric pressure, and humidity. The changes in atmospheric pressure can change in the weather and climate of a place. So if there is change in atmosphere, so what other things it will change? It will change the weather and climate of place. Okay, so this is all about atmosphere we have learned. So lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere is done. One is left, that is biosphere. So about biosphere we will continue in the next class. Till now, please study from your side, and if you have any doubt, ask me on the WhatsApp group. Okay class, thank you.